Who can't hear? Them have to feel. Who can't feel? Them have to feel. Yeah. Every little knock is a blessing, my friend. Every hard road is a lesson again. Them want see you drop, but your spirit too tired. I feel down, just answer the call. Sky get dark, but the sun still there. Cloud cover truth, but it can't stay. Trouble come low, like it run the place. Still you remember, say, stone can't stop grace. Finish the course, they say, run a race. No ease up, keep the fire in your face. Whole heap of tears, but your soul still sure. Hold your line, try down, endure. Finish the course, can't turn round, no. Step by step, Jah show you how. Them can't drain where Jah already pour. Stand by your word, finish the course. Enough man rich, but them heart still poor. Them trade them peace for one little score. Me rather walk broke with a clean mind than sit on a throne with a chain for my spine. Every big tree starts small like seed. Faith of the water, work of the weed. No run with the hype that a paper breeze. Run with the truth that a ancient keys. Finish the course, me say, run your race. No ease up, keep the fire in your face. Yeah, whole heap of tears, but your soul still sure. Hold your line, try to endure. Finish the course, can't turn around, no. Step by step, Jah show you how. Them can't drain where Jah already pour. Stand by your word, finish the course. Now watch who laugh, them can't see your plan. Them only see star, Jah alone see the land. When your foot them weak and your hope get in, just knock on the gate and push faith from within, from within.